Hello everyone, my name is Miss Hannah and today I will show you how to plant a pineapple.
The first thing you have to do is twist the top of the pineapple until it is completely off. You can do this by taking one hand and wrapping it around the crown and twisting it up until the crown of the pineapple is completely off. When it is off, you're going to place the pineapple crown inside of the water. Look what we have. We have roots. The roots are the tiny strings you can see at the bottom of the crown. This can be seen after a few weeks of keeping the crown inside a cup of water. Here comes the fun part. Now we have to dig a hole. After you dig the hole, place the crown in the hole. Cover the hole with soil, making sure the crown is sitting nice and tight in the hole. Just like that. Then I'm going to grab some water and water the crown all around the soil. Just like so. Make sure you are watering your plant daily. Here are a few pictures of our pineapple.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time.